In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Google Drive not uploading files. If you've ever tried to upload something important and it just gets stuck or fails for no clear reason, it can be really frustrating. So in this tutorial, we're going to walk through a simple sequence of checks and fixes that usually solve the problem quickly without needing any advanced technical knowledge. First, start by opening Google Drive in your browser. Make sure you're going to the official Google Drive website and that you're signed into the correct account. It's easy to have multiple accounts and accidentally open the wrong one, which can make it look like your files are missing or not uploading when they're just going to a different place. Once Drive is open, navigate to the folder where you want to upload the file so you're ready to test things as we go. Next, give the page a quick refresh. This might sound too basic, but a simple reload often clears temporary glitches with the web app. On most browsers, you can do this by clicking the refresh icon near the address bar or by using the keyboard shortcut for reload. After the page reloads, try to upload the same file again. Sometimes Drive fails to initialize correctly the first time, and a refresh forces it to reconnect and update your session. If the upload is still not working, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're actually online and that your connection is stable. Try opening a couple of other websites or streaming a short video to see if they load smoothly. If other sites are slow or not loading, that's a sign the issue might be your network rather than Google Drive. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can try moving closer to your router, briefly turning Wi-Fi off and back on, or switching to a different network or mobile hotspot just to test. Once your connection is solid, go back to Google Drive and try the upload again. If your connection looks fine and the upload still fails, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, cached data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with how sites like Google Drive behave. Open your browser's settings, look for the section related to privacy or browsing data, and choose the option to clear cache and cookies. You don't need to clear saved passwords or history for this issue. Focusing on cached images, files, and cookies is usually enough. After clearing them, completely close the browser, reopen it, go back to Google Drive, sign in again, and then retry the upload. If that doesn't fix it, the next suspect is browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or download managers, can accidentally interfere with file uploads. Open your browser's extensions or add-ons page and temporarily disable anything that might be blocking scripts, ads, or network activity. You don't have to remove them permanently, just turn them off for now, then reload Google Drive with those extensions disabled and test the upload once more. Finally, with the page refreshed, your connection checked, the cache and cookies cleared, and potential problem extensions turned off, try uploading the file again. Drag it into the Drive window or use the new button and choose File Upload. Watch the progress indicator to see if it moves smoothly this time. By following these steps in order, you can usually track down what's preventing your file from uploading and get Google Drive working properly again.